So Shapelab has quite a handy hierarchy system built in, similar to what people would be used to on a 3D program, parent-child. So I'll just give a quick example here. I'm going to create a cube at the scene origin and choose me Mac cap. Switch into gizmo, into sculpt mode, just to get rid of the grid and everything. And I'll just uniform scale. This is just going to be a simple example here. And I will move the origin up to the top. And grab this and do the quick clone these down, and then the parenting is pretty simple. Anyone that's used to a 3D program will know exactly what's coming next. But say for instance Blender has a similar 3D Max as well. In most programs, the last switch back to scene mode, the last selected is going to be the parent. So you can see here highlighted in white, that's whatever is last selected. And then I have the parent on my quick menu here, the quick access wheel, but it's also in here, parent, in the outliner, these options up the top of the outliner. And you can see here in the outliner that that's parented to that, same as a 3D program. And then I'll grab this one, and this one is last selected, and parent again, and now they're parented down in a chain. So you can also see here, if I select the parent, might be hard to see in the video, but you can see the icon up here, and then these ones are faded out, but they are in there. You can see if I highlight over, you can see the icon. So that's just showing that they're the children of that one's slightly bigger. Hopefully in the future now, I think I have requested it just maybe for larger icons, or at least color coded. Maybe, I don't know, the parent has a yellow icon and the others have a different color or whatever. But yeah, so that's beside the point. So now, because I've moved the origin up here, we just have a basic FK sort of a hierarchy, and it also works for scaling as well. So if I scale the parent, if I scale the parent, the children will follow along. Same with that one here. So, you know, this becomes quite handy then you're working on large scenes. Apart from the obvious, like, you know, if you wanted to create a base mesh for a posable hand or whatever for sculpting practice, or, you know, you're building a mech or whatever, or gun parts, you know, you can test it all out here in Shapelab if it's going to be animated, maybe outside in a 3D program. So that's pretty much the basics of it. Now, personally, I do not use an outliner at all in VR. But it's here for people that are more comfortable using the outliner. You can also parent and unparent here by just grabbing with the primary trigger, and then you can see here, if you hold it down, it's floating, so then you can move it and either unparent it by just dragging it out or switch them around. But personally, in VR, it's one of my favorite things about VR, because it's so fast to navigate around, to go anywhere you want in the scene within a split second, that I prefer to just work visually without using an outliner. So that's entirely obviously subjective. So that's pretty much it for parenting. Like, there's not much more to it. You can, for instance, use parenting at the moment if you want to hide. So if you want to hide an object, so I'm just going to create whatever, it doesn't really matter. I'll just create another sphere at the scene origin, and I have to select, and if I just move this off to the side, and I'll just create another few clones. So if I want to hide all of these together, I select all of them, and then in here, but it'll only hide the last one there selected. So it's another request of mine. I'm hoping for multi-select hide at the same time. I'm sure it's coming, but in the meantime, if you hide the parent, it will also hide the entire hierarchy, the children as well. Um, and also then you can mirror across, and the hierarchy then will be respected. So you just select the parent, and I'll go up here, switch it over to global, switch it to clone and mirror, and we're going across the X, and you can see here like the hierarchy is still respected, so that can be pretty handy. And that's pretty much it then, yeah. So that is parenting in Shapelab.